Hey there, it's Jen from Simple Green Smoothies and co-author of the book Simple Green Smoothies. And today I want to help you feel your passion and boost your immune system with this delicious green smoothie recipe. All right, we're going to use 1.5 cups fresh spinach. We're also going to do 1/4 cup of parsley and 1/4 cup of celery. And then we're going to add in a whole lemon and also a whole cucumber, and then finish it off with some ginger and 3 cups of mango. And today I'm using my Vitamix Pro 300 series, and we are going to use it to fill it up with our spinach, which is a great leafy green for your body. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of celery. I'm using celery that has the stalks on it and the leaves too, and that's totally fine. This is a green smoothie, so the more greens we can get, the better. So 1/4 cup is about a small handful. Then we're gonna do our 1/4 cup of parsley. Try to stick with the florets or the leaves, the greens on the top, and don't go for the stems because they're more bitter. All right, so we've added our leafy greens. Now we're gonna put in the water. And depending on the blender you're using, if it's a lower powered one, you would want to blend right now. So the next step for you is to blend. But if you're using a high powered blender, we can continue adding in ingredients at the same time. So we're gonna move on to our cucumber. And for this, we're gonna peel it. So it's 1 cucumber. And the reason I peel it is because there's a waxy coat on most cucumbers, and I don't want wax in my green smoothie. Cucumber is super hydrating, which is good for your skin. It's also good for your digestive system to help push things through. And when you're sick or feeling under the weather, you need your body to be working fast and efficiently. And the more fiber, the more hydration, the better you're gonna feel. All right, next I'm gonna just chop off the ends and then do a couple chunks. The blender's gonna do the rest of the work, but we wanna at least chop it up a little bit to make it easier. All right, the next step is we are going to add our lemon. So we're doing a whole lemon, but we are gonna peel it. And so I'm gonna do it just by cutting around the edges. Lemons also have pith on it, which I've talked about before in my videos. And the pith is the white part of the citrus fruit that actually has the highest amount of vitamin C in it. And vitamin C is great for boosting your immune system and helping keep your body strong. So that's exactly what we need to be doing right now if we're not feeling great. All right, and there are seeds in the lemon. If you're using a standard blender, you can actually pull them out. I'm just gonna put them straight into the Vitamix and let it do its work that way. All right, the next ingredient is our ginger. So ginger root comes like this in the grocery store. If you see a giant piece, don't feel like you have to buy the whole thing. Go ahead and break it off. You can do this and then just check out with the amount that you actually need. And to peel it, I use the back of a spoon and just gently scrape it. And it peels off the skin or the outer surface, just like tissue paper. And then that helps with texture. So, and we just need 1 tablespoon, or it's about 1/2 inch of ginger. So, which is not a lot because ginger is very potent. It also has it's a burning flavor in it, which helps you sweat out toxins. So if you were to eat a piece of ginger, it would immediately make you sweat and release those toxins in your body that are causing you to be sick in the first place. So we're gonna add in our tablespoon of ginger. And then the last thing we're gonna do is put in our mango. So the mango is high in fiber, it's also high in sugars, which makes it really delicious, and it makes it a smoothie that you would actually want to look forward to drinking again and again. And when you're sick, you need to be craving the foods that are good for you. And so that's why we do this with our mango ginger boosting immune smoothie. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients, we're gonna put them in the blender and turn this baby on and see what it can do. It smells delicious. And I have 2 cups here. One is for me to drink right now because I don't know if you can tell, but I am under the weather. So I have a cold and I am making the smoothie for me. So I really do practice what I preach because this is how I'm gonna get better naturally and let it do its thing. So this smoothie actually makes 3 servings pretty much because we have a whole separate smoothie here. So feel free to put it in another cup, give it to your kids, whoever needs it, but just spread the love and enjoy this immune boosting green smoothie recipe. If you like this video and would love more of them or more recipes from me, please sign up for a free 7-day green smoothie challenge right over here. And I will give you 7 more green smoothie recipes that are full of natural vitamins that are gonna keep your immune system strong, keep your taste buds happy, and keep you doing this over and over again so that you can knock colds out quickly. All right, I would love for you to subscribe to our video channel, so hit subscribe. And also, if you could leave a comment below or ask us a question, tell anything that you're wondering about, I would love to help you on your wellness journey. So leave a comment below and we'll get back to you soon. All right, bye.